Hi friends, we at GATE Applied Course are very happy to announce regular live sessions for all of our course registered students who have registered for our GATE CSC course. So these live sessions would be conducted twice a week. So we would conduct 2 live sessions every week starting this week. We've already announced 2 live sessions for this week. And all these live sessions will be accessible to all of our course registered students. And in these live sessions, we'll focus broadly on 3 topics. So the first topic will focus on problem solving. Just like the 2 sessions that we announced for this week, we will announce a bunch of topics in every subject, slowly one after the other. And we will try and solve 8 to 10 problems in each of these live sessions. Again, the objective here is to do interactive problem solving, wherein I'll pose a question, give you a few minutes of time, try to solve it along with everyone else who is attending the live session. Once everybody puts in their answers, I'll also answer the question, explaining you what common mistakes students commit and how to actually solve the problem easily. Right? So these are called as interactive problem solving sessions. And that's one set of live sessions that we would like to conduct. Again, the objective here is to ensure that students are performing enough practice, and these questions are in addition to all the practice problems, mock tests that we already have in the course videos. The second type of live sessions that we would conduct are called as the conceptual doubts clarification sessions. In these sessions, we'll again take a bunch of topics in every subject, and for these bunch of topics, we will collect the best questions that students have asked us in the comment section of the respective videos of these topics or the emails that students have sent us. So even if a single student has asked us a good conceptual question about any of the topics that we will cover in one of these sessions, we will explain the misconception, we'll clarify any conceptual gaps that students might have so that every student would benefit from it. Again, the purpose here is to expose you to a wide set of conceptual gaps and misunderstandings that other students have so that you don't fall into the same trap yourself. So that you don't have those gaps yourself, which enables you to solve problems better in the GATE exam. Now, the third type of live sessions we would conduct will be on miscellaneous topics. These could be about how to prepare better, how to prioritize different topics within a subject, how to practice better, how to revise better, and things like that. Right? So these are the 3 broad categories of live sessions that we would conduct starting this week. And we would do, as I just mentioned earlier, 2 sessions per week. And these sessions are accessible to all of our course registered students. Some of these sessions will be publicly available, but a vast majority of them will be privately available only to our course registered students. Okay, so we thought these types of live sessions will help improve the interactivity between our team and all of our course registered students, and also help us explain them a good bunch of conceptual gaps or doubts that students have, solve a bunch of problems, and also cover a bunch of miscellaneous topics. Again, we have done something very similar last year also, but this year we are much more structured and much more planned for this.